All right, so we are going to be doing a graphic organizer that we can use for our narrative writing. A lot of time when we're writing narratives are stories about us and things that we've experienced. So we're going to create this graphic organizer to give us little topics if we're struggling to think, what can I write about today? It's going to help us come up with those topics that we'll be able to write about in the future. So on your materials list, you had some spiral notebooks. And so I'm going to ask that you do this assignment in your one of your spiral notebooks. That's going to be your writing notebook. Okay. If you don't have a spiral notebook right now, that's okay. I'm sure we can get you one soon. Maybe send me an email and let me know, and I will get you a spiral notebook. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do on this graphic organizer is it's called mapping the heart. So if we're mapping the heart, the first thing we need to do is we need to draw a great big heart on our paper. And I'm not the best at drawing, so my heart might not look the greatest, but that's okay. I can still tell that it's a heart. You can see that mine's on a separate piece of paper. I really want yours in a spiral notebook. If you don't have a notebook at this time, that's okay. You can add it to your notebook later. Go ahead and do it on just a separate piece of paper for now. But we're going to do a great big heart on the outside and then a smaller heart on the inside. Ooh, my inside one got a little lopsided. Here's going to be the difference. The inside heart is like one most important thing to you in the world. Whatever you think is the most important thing in your life, in your world, that's what's going to go in the middle. So for me, and I'm going to just start mine as a sample, and then I'm going to let you guys go ahead and work on yours. For me, the most important thing in my world is my family. My family, which is my kids and my mom. Those are the most important things in my world. So the center of your heart is whatever the most important things in your world are, okay? And then with the rest of it, we're gonna divide it into about 10 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And in each one of those 10 sections, I'm going to think about other things in my life, things I've experienced, things that I've done. It could be things that I like, things that I want to do. I'm going to think about other things that I can put around the outside of my circle, things that I know about, things that are part of my life. So for example, one of mine, might be Ireland. Because several years ago, I went on a vacation to Ireland. It was amazing. I loved vacationing in Ireland. Another one might be softball, and I might kind of draw. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to draw my softball. I forgot how to draw a ball, kind of like that. And I'm going to put softball, because softball was really important to me growing up. I mean, softball helped pay for my college. So softball was super important. So you're going to continue to think about 10 different things, and you can draw pictures, you can write words, whatever you need to do to come up with 10 things that are really important to you that you know about that you can fill in on this graphic organizer. I see a lot of you working already. That's awesome. Okay. So this is what you're going to be working on for the next bit. So let me go ahead and stop this. Maybe. Where's my record button? I'm going to stop share for just a minute, because that will make that.